Hello guys, and be welcome to the channel. So today we have a starter set challenge update. As you guys might remember, the paints that came with the kit were absolutely dry. So we contacted Airfix and they very kindly provided replacement paints. And on that note, I've been told that all those pots, all the old pots that were drying the paints have been scrapped, and all the paints in India have been scrapped. So they have come up with a new mold for new pots. So till now they would have the mold with one pot and the mold for a lid, and they would match them. Now you have the mold with the pot and the lid, so the lid will match exactly that pot, which will mean that the paints will not dry anymore, or fingers crossed they will not. So I was told by the head of brand from Airfix that all those old pots and all those old paints have been scrapped. Obviously we still have a rollout because of all the sets that were sold on Lidl and Aldi and still being sold, but they are on the case to fix that problem. So on top of that, I was told that we might have short shots. So let's have a look and see that we have everything we need and we are ready to start the challenge. I'm going to show you the tools we're going to use and let's go with it. So let's open the box. As you guys can see, we have 1, 2, 3, the 4 pots of paints that we need, that Airfix kindly provided. Let's have a look. I've got to the plastic already and I had a quick look, so we don't get nasty surprises. So far I don't see any short shots. I might be wrong although, but build will prove me wrong if I am. So as you can see, the fuselage, engine and instrument panels, the cowling, the propeller, all are good. You can see the wings, no fault there. Drop tank, no fault. Cockpit, no fault. Again, so far so good. And this sprue as well, very good. So no issues there as well. So hopefully we will have no issues. So regarding this build, what we're going to use? We're going to use these paints. As you can see, we're going to use this glue, this brush, this knife, and this sanding stick. And with just that, we're going to try to achieve this. Are we going to be able to? I don't know. You'll have to stay there and watch and like and subscribe to get all notifications, and soon enough the video will be on. So let's see what I can do. Thank you ever so much for watching guys, and see you all around.